Give me a few short seconds and I'll prove to you that AI can run your front desk. I'm Mark and I've helped businesses all over the world save tens of thousands of dollars a year using this tech. And before you imagine bots ruining the client experience, let me show you a quick demo and show you how it works.
Hi there. Thanks for calling ABC Health, where your wellness journey gets a high-tech twist. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I would like to book an appointment.
Awesome. I'm excited to help you get started. Could you please tell me your full name?
Yeah, so my full name is Mark Bresser.
Thanks, Mark. Are you interested in physical therapy, occupational therapy, or mental health therapy?
Mental health, actually.
Great choice, Mark. Could you let me know who your insurance provider is?
Yes, it's Green Cross.
Thank you. Could you please spell out your email address for me?
Yeah, sure. My email is marc@gmail.com.
Perfect. Thanks for spelling that out. What city do you live in, Mark?
I live in Houston.
Thanks, Mark. I have all the details I need. I can offer you two available times, tomorrow at 3 p.m. or the day after at 11 a.m. Which one works best for you?
Yeah, let's do 11 a.m.
Fantastic. You're all set for an appointment the day after tomorrow at 11 a.m. I'll make sure a representative is assigned to you so all your questions are answered and your wellness journey starts off right. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's it. Thank you. And now I'll show you exactly how it works. So before even the AI picks up the phone, the person will dial the agent, and we have a tool in place that will check the CRM and actually see if the customer already existed. If they already existed, they will send the lead or the customer to a different agent. So if they are already a customer, we won't collect any information. But if they aren't, then we collect information. And based on that, for example, if they are not a lead in the CRM or not a customer in the CRM, we will try to collect information inside of the prompt. And after that, go over all the qualifying questions that you may have, and then book an actual estimate or appointment. And so first, with booking an appointment, we check the available times, as you can see right here. And after checking the available times, it runs through another tool and actually books the appointment. This is only like barely scratching the surface. For example, you can also do transfers, create tasks, actually pull customer data during the call and see, for example, the current project that you guys are working on. And so if all of that sounded pretty interesting to you, I have already made a video about this exact agent, going over the tools, the prompt, everything. I will link it down below. Otherwise, if you are a business owner and want to implement this for your own business, be sure to scroll down, click the first link in the description and book a call below. I look forward to hearing from you, and I'll see you in the next video.